Out of everything you could think, why the fuck would you think you finna stress me out on my cellular device? I just want to know what made the thought cross your mind. Because now you're blocked, thinking about your actions. Ain't nobody safe. I feel like hip-hop Harry after I block a bitch. Who's next?
Hey beauties, and welcome back to IambeautifulhustlerTv. Today we are back with another sponsored video, and today's hair is provided by RPGHair. Now they sent me over this 18-inch 150% density 360 Yaki lace wig, and of course in our packaging we got a cap, combs, and a little elastic or whatever inside the packaging as well, and also the card itself. Now, as you know, when working with RPGHair, the wigs always come with the knots already bleached and the wig be plucked to the T, as you can see, very natural looking. And like I mentioned, it is a 18-inch 360 wig, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the wig all the way around. And I'm going to do like a updo ponytail look with some fringe bangs. And also in the packaging, they also gave me a matching Yaki bundle. And that's going to be the bundle that I add in for the ponytail part. Now, I went ahead and did my makeup and did the ball cap. And I did secure the cap all the way around. And I'm going to let you guys know now in this video, when it came to me gluing down the back of the wig, I did not have a mirror in front of me and in back of me to really catch all the angles. So when I do the back, I'm just feeling, just trying to go about what I feel and place the wig down. So if it's not, perfect viewing or perfect instructions for you guys, I'm sorry, and just letting you know in advance. But this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box, and putting it onto my head. Like I said, it's already bleached and it's already plucked. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of that extra lace off around the front so I can see what I'm doing, and cut the extra from around the ear. Then I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses foundation, add it onto the lace, and begin my installation process. And for my 360 wig install today, I will be using 2 layers all around. So I just added the first layer and I'm just rubbing it out nice and flat and smooth. And then once that layer dries clear, I will go ahead and add the next layer. Also, once I glue down the front, instead of tying it down immediately, I'm going to glue the whole wig around, like all around my head, and then I'm going to tie it down with the melt belt. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with that second layer now that the glue is clear. And once I go ahead and tuck that wig down, I will just blow dry it into place for a few minutes, and then begin to glue down the back of the wig. So I went ahead and pulled the wig down just to see how much it would cover. And like I said, y'all, I do not have a mirror in the back of me, so my glue application in the back is not going to be the best, but you know, you could kind of get the hang of it. If you do have another mirror that you could place like in front of you and behind you, you know how people do that whole little dimensions thing with the mirrors, it would probably be best if you could do it that way. But just try to feel for the hairline as much as possible, and you know, just go with the outline of your head. But that's why I placed the wig down first, to kind of see where it lays, to kind of get a feel of it. And then I went ahead and placed that wig down as well. So after adding that second layer, you guys, I did go ahead and place that wig down. I just added a little more glue because I couldn't tell, you know, I couldn't see if I really applied it on there good enough. So I'm kind of taking my fingertip and going in. And now that I'm looking at it, y'all, that is a lot of glue. So like I said, y'all, just get you a mirror to just so you can really monitor how much glue you're applying and everything like that. But I ain't putting no more on after this, so I'm just gonna go ahead, blow dry that a little bit, because I don't know what it's looking like back here at this point, y'all. I'm seeing all of this for the first time too, actually editing the video. But yes, try to get a mirror, like I said, and place it in front of you and behind you, so you can actually see what you're doing and do a better, neater application, because it looks crazy back here, but it's gonna be secured though. But once you apply the glue and everything like that, go ahead and pull that wig right on down and give it a nice firm press. And then you could go back in on the edges of the wig and just slide one layer of glue to secure it all the way down there. So I'm going to go in and just kind of filling with the glue and the spacing, just applying that glue in those areas and then pushing, you know, the rest of the edges of the lace down into that glue. And once I get this last little edge here on the sides, I will go ahead and take the melt belt and then tie the melt belt all around my head from the back all the way up to the front. So it's just gonna be like a one quick little wrap, and try to smooth the glue out as best as you can, and you know, let the glue get tacky before placing it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take the blow dryer, blow it all the way up, you know, blow dry it all the way up real good. But then I'm gonna, like I said, take that melt belt and tie it all around so we can secure the front and the back. And now I went ahead and removed that melt belt. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the extra lace off. And once we finish cutting the extra lace off, we will go ahead and get into the styling, which will consist of me pulling out all my sections on both sides of my head for the style. And then, you know, we'll get into the rest of that when that part comes. So I went ahead and razored the hair on both sides, the extra lace off both sides. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the styling, okay? So for starters, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put the hair up in a little quick little messy bun. And I'm gonna start by pulling down my side sections for where I'm gonna curl these sideburn areas down. So a nice little chunky section. I wanted like some nice chunky sideburns. So I'm doing like a little smaller curved part. And I'm gonna do this on both sides, and I'm gonna pull down a little section on the side of the wigs and the back on each side. And then of course the top section for where my Chinese bang is going to be, I'm going to pull down 2 equal parts. I'm doing 1/2 at a time, and I'm just going to secure all the parts that I'm pulling down with the plait. And I'm just going to continue to pull both sections down, and once I have both sections down, I will go ahead and, like I mentioned, plait that out the way, and then we will go ahead and start focusing on the ponytail. I'm going to take some holding spray, tap it across the lace, and tie it down again with the melt belt. So off camera, I did go ahead and spray the hairline and tie it down with the melt belt, and now I'm focusing on the ponytail. So for the ponytail, I took some ebin holding spray and just sprayed it lightly onto the wig, and I'm just trying to comb everything like upward, kind of to like a high position, and then I secured that with a rubber band. And once I secured the wig into a rubber band, I'm going to take some more rubber bands and kind of section it out the way. Also removing that melt belt, because that's going to be like our bang section and all that. And just quickly combing that hair out, because I just want to get everything prepped. So before I, actually do the ponytail part, I just wanted to just, get everything pretty much ready to just be styled. So starting with the bang first, I'm just going to hot comb it downward, and I'm going to go in with the eyebrow razor, chop it down, leaving the sides long because I wanted to curl the sides, leaving my thick chunky sideburns because I'm going to curl that as well, and the pull down pieces that I have in the back that's going to be cut and curled as well. So everything is going to be cut and curled, and I just did my ponytail in a few rubber bands because when I take that bundle that they gave me and wrap it around, I just want it to be like neat and out the way. And I'm gonna let y'all know now, my ponytail is not perfect. And honestly, it really doesn't have to be, because most of the hair is going to be hanging down in the back. And like we already know, we ain't got no mirror for me to see what's going on back there. But I am going to, for the pieces I do see like messed up in my ponytail, I'm going to try my best to sleek it up and, you know, make it as neat as possible. But I'm just going to continue to take that eyebrow razor, raise it down that bang, bump the front, curl the ends, razor my sideburns, curl that, razor my drop down pieces, curl that. So yeah. So now that we got that part situated, I'm going to go ahead and take that bundle and wrap it around my ponytail part. And I'm just putting the glue on it. I cut that bundle in half, you know, just so it's not too heavy on my head, because I do go working out every morning, y'all, and you know, I don't want to just my head to be like all way down, so I didn't go too crazy. Plus this wig was pretty thick. Even though it is 150% density, it was pretty thick already on its own, so I didn't have to add too much hair to it. That's why I only use half. But I know my head is down, y'all, and not just because I'm trying to really be careful with not getting the glue on any other part of the wig other than the part I needed to, you know, wrap around. So I'm just gonna wrap it around, just filling it as I go. And to be honest, y'all know doing your own wig already is a lot of hard work, but really when you're trying to do different styles, especially like a full style like this, it is definitely a lot to manage. So just take your time and do the best you can. But now I'm going to go ahead and remove those other rubber bands that I had holding the rest of the hair together. And then I'm going to take my little wraparound part, spray it, wrap around, and then begin to curl the ponytail. So the wraparound is done, and I'm just going to take my flat iron and just curl the hair away from the face on both sides until every piece is curled. And once I'm done curling everything on up, I will tease it all out, play with it, fluff it, and then show you guys the finishing look. And now I'm done curling the wig, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just run my fingers through it, fluff it out a bit, play with it until I get the finished desired look. Just finish finger combing, finger combing, finger combing. Supposed to be like a cute, messy little ponytail look. So like I said, y'all, the back is not as perfect as I want it to be because I can't see back there, but it still turned out pretty dope because the hair was covering everything in the back anyway. So overall, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just adding a little holding spray, touching up some areas, catching some flyaways, trying to fluff it up. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, y'all, it would have been easier if I had that mirror to really help me perfect with laying it down, but just to give you guys an idea on how to do it on yourself. You know, anyways, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, And stay tuned to the last, final look.